Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download and install Far Far West game on your PC or Windows device. First, head over to the Steam website and just create a Steam account and just sign up your account. And after you create the Steam account, click on Install Steam option you will see on the top, and you have to download and install Steam. And after you download and install the Steam, open up the Steam and sign in your account. After that, go ahead and click on the top search box and just search for Far Far West game. You will find this game on the top, so just click on it and just scroll down. You will find the option to add to cart. So just click on this option and then click on view my cart option. Now just go ahead and pay the amount, and after you pay the amount for this game will be added to your library of Steam. So just go to your Steam library, search for this game and then install it on your device. And guys, that's how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, please like it and thanks for watching.